guys, welcome to our Listeners Best Round. Today I'm going to be making a Despicable Me 3. I'm opening a Despicable Me 3 toy. And still has a cute little fashion Barbie doll. So let's start opening it. So we open this. She has cute little pink heels on. And a cute flower plant dress. And I really like her ponytail. And she has like some lipstick and makeup on. So I think she looks very, very pretty. And what do you guys think? Comment down below if you think her dress and her shoes look very pretty, and so has her hair. Okay, now we'll be opening our Despicable Me 3 doll. Maybe they can come alive? I don't know. Maybe they could change me into something little. Or maybe I'll go into one of them. Let's see. Okay, let's see the power. Magic, magic, can I become on a unicorn? And can I also become into this doll? Magic, 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 Set, magic, 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 be. Please make me come back in on the... Oh, I'm back! Yes, I was into this doll, and then like I saw a big giant of me right here, and it was moving, and I was like... And also, I got to ride this unicorn, so I also got to go into the doll's body, and it was amazing where I had to do that chance, but I also like my body. Okay, now I'm going to set that one aside, and maybe I can become a doll. Magic, magic, magic begin. Make me hair and make me some... I'm in this doll. I'm in this doll. Hi, guys. I'm just so amazed. And... there's a giant and it's on my legs and it's walking me. It's coming up. I'm gonna do magic, 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 and make me big and make me sad. I'm back again. I would never do that again unless it's on a different video. And look, it's so amazing. And I just like love her hair. Okay. So that's kind of all for this video. But, if you wanted me to get some more dolls, comment down below. And also comment down below if you like this video. Please subscribe, give me a thumbs up on this video. And the winner of a new slime kit, I'm going to get in the next, not the next video or the next one, but probably in a few days video. The next video... Well, like in a few days video, I will be giving it to Andrea Velazquez. She's actually my best friend, but she was the only one who commented down below. So I'm gonna give her a really, really good slime kit, and give me a shout out. Make sure you ring the bell. And have a great day. Bye!